Hi friends, in this video we'll learn about WDV method. It is also called as the written down value method. It is also called as the diminishing balance method or the reducing installment method. Now under written down value method of depreciation, how is depreciation for a year calculated? Depreciation for a year is calculated using a formula. Depreciation for the year, that means for a particular year, for the year is equal to the written down value for the year. That means the value of the asset after providing for depreciation, after subtracting depreciation of the previous year, written down value for the year into rate by 100, that is the rate of depreciation, into number of days / months used in the year in which we are calculating the depreciation, divided by 12 or 365. So suppose 1 lakh rupees is the WDV of the year. That means out of the original cost, after subtracting the depreciation for all the earlier years, 1 lakh is left. If 10% is the rate, and supposingly you have used only for 9 months during the year, you will use 9 months divided by 12 months. So you will get the amount of depreciation for the year. It is 10,000 into 3 by 4 would be 7,500 rupees would be the depreciation for this particular year. So this is how you calculate the depreciation for a particular year under the WDV method. You first take the written down value for the year, multiply it by rate by 100 and multiply it by the period used during the year and divided by the number of months in a year or the number of days in a year. Okay, now the question arises, how do you calculate the rate of depreciation? The rate of depreciation under the WDV method is calculated using a formula 1 minus nth root of scrap value divided by original cost. N here is the life of the asset in years, whereas SV is the scrap value, estimated scrap value, we can say estimated scrap value, and OC is the original cost of the asset. So how do you get this formula is the question now. From where do you get the formula? First of all, you have to understand that under WDV method, let us suppose this is the value of the asset at the beginning of the year. By the end of the year, it is going to reduce by R percentage. This amount is going to reduce by R percentage. Next year, this amount is going to reduce by R percentage. Reduce by R percentage. Next year, this is going to further reduce by R percentage. That means every year it is going to reduce by the same percentage amount. Now let us suppose this was 100. Now 10%, we can say, if the percentage is 10%, what do you mean by 10%? Here 10% means whatever was the opening value during the year, it is going to reduce by 10%. So whatever is the value here, this is going to reduce by 10%, and whatever the value here it is going to reduce by 10% to arrive at the value here. So instead of growing at a particular rate every year, it is going to reduce at the same rate every year. Now how this formula comes, we'll learn using a very simple statement. Little bit of mathematics is involved. Particulars rupees, original cost, I'll call it as original cost, will be considered as, let us say, O, letter O. Depreciation for first year, it will be O into R. So WDV of first year, written down value of first year, that is after the written down value means after reducing depreciation, it will be O minus OR, which can also be written as O into 1 minus R. Depreciation for second year, this reduced by R percentage. This is also going to reduce by R percentage now. Depreciation for second year would be R percent of this value. So this will be O into 1 minus R into R. So what will it be? It will be OR minus OR square. Now, what will be the WD of the second year? WDV of second year would be WDV of first year minus depreciation. So it will be O minus OR minus OR plus OR square. You have to subtract this. You have to subtract this from this. So this will be O minus 2OR plus OR square, which will be nothing but O common 1 minus R whole square. So WDV at the end of the second year becomes O into 1 minus R whole square. So we can compare here. WDV of first year was O into 1 minus R. WDV of second year would be was O into 1 minus R whole square. Similarly, WDV of third year would be O into 1 minus R whole cube. And WDV of the nth year, that is the end of the life of the asset, would be O into 1 minus R whole power n. Now, the written down value at the end of the useful life, WDV at the end of useful life, is nothing but equal to the scrap value. After you subtract depreciation for all the years in the useful life, you are going to get the scrap value. And here we have seen the written down value at the end of nth year is O into 1 minus R whole power n. O into 1 minus R whole power n is equal to the scrap value. So how do you now deal with it? 1 minus R whole power n would be equal to S scrap value divided by O. If I raise both the sides to the power of 1 by n, or I shift this n towards this side, I am raising both the sides by the power 1 by n. So it will be like this: 1 minus R whole power n into 1 by n, whereas this will be scrap value divided by original cost whole power 1 by n. So this n and this n will get cancelled. 1 minus R scrap value divided by original cost whole power 1 by n is denoted like this: nth root of scrap value divided by original cost. Now R would be equal to 1 minus nth root of scrap value divided by original cost. So this is how we arrive at the formula for calculating the rate of depreciation. You have to remember that in the written down value method, the asset depreciates every year by the same percentage. The percentage is applied to the opening WDV. Okay, the depreciation does not remain constant in each year. For an example, 1 lakh is the value at the beginning of the year. It reduces by 10%. The balance would be 90,000. The depreciation here would be 10,000 rupees. Second year, this will again reduce by 10%. The rate will be same, but this 10% will be applied on the reduced value now. It will be 9,000. It will become 81,000 here. Third year again it remains at 10%. 8,100. This will become 72,900. So if you draw a graph here, on the y-axis I'll write depreciation. Here the life: first year, second year, third year. First year it would be 10,000. Second year it is 9,000. Third year it is 8,100. So the depreciation is going to reduce every year. That is why this is called as the diminishing balance method. The written down value method, it is called as written down value method because the rate is applied on the written down value. reducing installment method because the depreciation reduces every year. This method is more suitable for assets like machinery where there is wear and tear. I'll discuss more about why this method is more suitable for plant and machinery in future lectures on depreciation. So, the formula for calculating depreciation for a particular year is take the written down value for the year, that means original cost minus depreciation for all the earlier years multiplied by rate by 100 multiplied by the number of days or months used in the year divided by 12 or 365. How to calculate that rate of depreciation? 1 minus nth root of scrap value divided by original cost is the formula. How this formula comes, we have seen this now. Thank you.